In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file your self-employment taxes using TurboTax, specifically if you've been earning through eBay sales. Let's say you're getting ready to tackle your taxes and it's your first time doing so with income from online sales. Don't worry, I'll guide you through the process step by step to ensure you have a smooth experience. First things first, you're going to want to open up Chrome and log into your TurboTax account. If you don't have one yet, it's easy to create. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Once you're logged in, take a moment to navigate over to the section labeled Income. This is where you'll find everything you need for this part of the tax process. You'll be looking specifically for options like self-employment or business income. Because that's how eBay sales are categorized, it's important to select the correct section to ensure your income is reported accurately. When you've navigated to the right section, it's time to enter your eBay sales information. Typically, eBay provides you with a 1099-K form if you meet certain thresholds, but you can also gather this data from your own income records. Make sure you have all this information handy to accurately input it. TurboTax will guide you with prompts and fields to fill out, ensuring you don't miss anything critical. This part is crucial because you want to ensure that all your income is reported, contributing toward an accurate tax assessment. Next, you'll want to input your expenses related to eBay selling. This might include eBay fees, shipping costs, or anything else that directly relates to your business activities. Keeping detailed records throughout the year pays off now, as every deductible expense can help reduce the amount of tax you owe. Enter the information carefully and don't overlook anything. If you're ever unsure about whether an expense is deductible, TurboTax offers helpful tips and additional resources to guide you. After you've entered all your income and expenses, follow the TurboTax prompts to complete your tax return. The software will analyze the information for you and present any potential issues or areas that need clarification. Pay attention to these prompts. They're designed to help you maximize your refund or minimize what you might owe. The final step is to review your return thoroughly before filing. Take a moment to double check everything, ensuring that all entered data is accurate and complete. Once you're satisfied, you can go ahead and file your taxes electronically. TurboTax makes this easy and secure, meaning your taxes are filed quickly and efficiently, and you can go about the rest of your day with peace of mind. And there you go, filing your taxes as a self-employed individual with eBay income. Thank you for joining me and good luck with your tax filing.